Hey, baby. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Guess what? Guess, please.
Baby, come on, just tell me. What is it?
I'm pregnant.
Are you for real?
Real?
Oh my god, are you for real?
Yes!
Yes! Finally! Oh my god! So, what do we do now?
I think it's time for you to go and see my parents. What do you think?
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
Right?
You know what? This actually calls for celebration. I'm going upstairs to wear something nice and we are going out
Right?
to have a good time. Baby, I'm so happy.
I am too.
Oh, I'll be back.
Okay. You're going to have a brother or a sister. I am going to give you a brother or a sister. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes. What are you concentrating on there? Look at me, baby boy. Look at me. High five, high five, high five. Yeah. High five. Oh, my sweet boy. I miss you so much. Look at you. Oh, go now. Come here. You didn't get it. I'm surprised. I told you I was coming, but not like now. Wow. So good. Thank you.
You've been taking care of me.
What can I do?
Aww. How are you, Anita?
Sit down. Have your seat.
Cool. Okay, baby.
Oh, baby. Yes. Baby. Cindy, this is my fiance. His name is Tony. Tony, this is my younger sister. Her name is Cindy.
Wait, did you say Tony? Tony! Is this you? What are you doing here? You know my sister?
Welcome, Cindy. Yes, sir.
Tony. Did you?
Yeah.
What's going on here?
I know her. She's.
Can I have a word? A word?
What's going on here?
I'll explain it to her.
Let me just talk to her for a moment.
Please.
Just for a moment, sweetheart. We're done. Okay?
What? So outside.
What's this one? Hey, baby boy. Baby boy. Were you happy to see mommy? You didn't say welcome to mommy. Why? Why did you say welcome, okay? Why didn't you say welcome? You didn't say that when mommy came. Why? It's okay. Mommy's coming, okay? Okay? Are you happy? But you never showed it. Smile.
So after you deceived me and got me pregnant, you disappeared, and all of a sudden you're here in my sister's house? You see your life? I told you can run, but you can never hide.
Cindy, it is not what you think. I'm sorry for everything, but I had to run away. I didn't have anything then to take care of you or the pregnancy. Since I came to this city, your sister has been like a saving grace to me. I didn't have anything.
So what are you doing in my sister's house?
Oh my God, I told you. I told
you about my sister, haven't I?
I didn't know.
I told you so many times that she lives abroad. Her name was Bella. I told you, I remember. So how come you did not even think that she could be my sister?
I didn't know. Since I came here, she has been the one helping me. I was even a vulcanizer when we met.
back, okay? Fix it. Let me. Okay, that's it. I'll be right back.
Thank you for saving my sister, but that doesn't change the fact that I have laid curses on you, and unless you marry me, you will remain useless for life. Next time, you will not promise a woman marriage just because you want to have sex with her.
Cindy, please, it hasn't gotten to that.
It has gotten to that.
Please.
Did you know what I had to go through? What I went through? My parents rejected me. At some point, I couldn't even afford a full course meal. I was going from hand to mouth. I couldn't even afford the basic health care for a pregnant woman. And you are telling me it hasn't gotten to this?
Mama, please help me. I don't have money anywhere and I need money for health care. Mama, please. I need to go for antenatal, Mama. No matter the amount, I will appreciate it. Please help me. Please, Mama, please.
Cindy, don't even start. Hey, don't touch me. Hey, don't try to touch me at all. What is your problem? If you lack shame, please, save me some troubles. Eh? You needed a child and you got one. So, go ahead and take care of yourself. 1 cent, 1 kobo bawaris, I will not give you. Cindy, go and get that man that got you pregnant. Eh? Simple instruction. Go and get him.
Mama, please.
And then, anyway.
I told you he disappeared on me.
He disappeared. Follow him and disappear and draw him out from the air.
How, Mama?
Eh? If he's forming spirit to you, you form Vuga. You bring him back.
Ha! Tony.
Nonsense.
Tony, you have finished me. Tony, have you seen what you've caused? For ruining my life and making me go through this pain, Tony, I curse you today. Wherever you are, you will not know peace. This pain, you shall have double dose of it. You can never be happy in this life. I promise you. For ruining my life and making me go through this pain, making me fight with my family, I will never forgive you. I'll never forgive you. You'll be miserable for life. Nothing you ever lay your hands on will work. You will be in pain, more pain than you have ever put me. You will regret ever meeting someone like me. Mama, please, it's not my fault. He deceived me.
It's my own fault. He deceived you. Eh? Now you know he's deceived, but that time it was sweet.
All I'm saying is that I have laid heavy curses on you, and you must fulfill your promises if you want to be useful in this life, or else you'll be useless for life.
Cindy, please, it hasn't gotten to that now. It hasn't gotten to that. Please, I'm sorry for whatever I have caused you. Please. Remember, the Bible says that
the Bible kill you there. Tony, is this you quoting the Bible? So now you can quote the Bible. When you left me to die in the village, you didn't know about the Bible, right? Did you know what I had to go through? My own parents threw me out to the streets. If not for my sister that kept sending money, only God knows where I will be by now. Sometimes I got days without even eating anything good with my child. And now, you're back and you're in my sister's house and you're telling me it hasn't gotten to that? You must be joking.
Are you saying that boy, Bright, is my son?
Yes, your son.
What's going on here?
It's nothing. It's nothing. We're just having a conversation. How are you? How are you doing? It's okay. Everything's fine. We'll talk about it later. Yes.
At the back of the house.
Yes, we'll talk about it later, sweetheart. The good life, the enjoyment, everything. Do you know that your sister was one that saved my life? Prior to this, I was just a mere organizer. Right now, as you can see, I'm not hungry anymore. I will not allow you to ruin that. I will not.
So it's because of food. Because of food, you abandoned me. You are very wicked. You are wicked, Tony. After everything I told you, you put me through. After everything I said, you put me and your son through. You still don't want to do the right thing, right? I can see that you want trouble. I will not give you peace in this house until you do the right thing. You better start thinking of how to do the right thing. Did you know what you put me through? I dropped out of school because of you. Now, I don't even have any certificate. I can't get a good job. I am helpless. And all you can think about is food. Did you even also know that I could not even get a husband? Who is going to marry me? All the suitors that come to my father's house to get married to me, they always flee the moment they hear that I have a son out of wedlock. You must marry me, or I swear I will tell my sister everything and expose you. Your enjoyment will be cut short.
Cindy! I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I'm begging you, do not tell your sister. Please, at least not right now. It's too dangerous to spoil a lot of things. Let me tell her myself. When the time is right, I promise I will do anything you want. Anything. I will make you happy again. I will make you smile. I promise. But please, just be patient. I will be the one to tell her when the time is right. Please.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not.
Why are you crying? What's the issue?
Since you will not understand.
Talk to me, I will.
Wait, I don't even know where to start from. I don't know where to start from. Tony. Okay, sis. Could you believe that Tony is the father of my son?
Tony.
The same Tony you just introduced me to. He's Bright's father. Yes.
Wait. Same Tony?
Yes. This same Tony.
Bright's father?
Yes.
Oh my God.
He was the one that impregnated me and disappeared. You remember when you were overseas? And Mama and Papa called you to say that I was pregnant. And that I refused to give her the identity of the man that got me pregnant.
Yes,
you remember that you called me?
Yes, I did.
And you pleaded with me to open up to you. To tell you the truth so that you find that we are related to Mama and Papa.
Yes.
And I told you there was one guy named Tony that got me pregnant. But I'm not sure you remembered it because you never stayed in the village with us. He's the same man that got me pregnant. Yes, sister, he's the same person.
You mean this same Tony is the father of your child?
Yes. Same wicked Tony that put me through hell. He came into my life, deceived me, promised me marriage, got me pregnant and disappeared. I went through hell. The same guy that I've been suffering for all these years. If not for you, if not for your kindness, you're the only one that supported me when I was pregnant. All the money you were sending to take care of myself and my child. If not for you, where would I have been by now? I would have been dead. Oh my God. Sister, are you seeing that he's a very wicked man and he does not deserve your love? You have to leave him. Send him away.
No. No, it's not possible. This Tony, he saved my life. He saved my life a few months back. That's how I got to know him. That's how we came to be together.
What about the deposit you asked me?
Doctor, about that, I was able to deposit 40,000. That's all I could raise at the moment. The truth is that I had to sell my vulcanizing machine just so I can raise that amount. Please, don't let her die.
Well, she will not die. And I understand you. But you see, you are asking me a deposit of 300,000 and not 40,000. I suggest you take her to the hospital.
Doctor, please, I don't even know her from anywhere. I'm just trying to save someone. I was fixing her tires when she got run over by.
Excuse me.
Doctor, please.
So you see, I can't just call him a bad person. He was good to me. He's good to me. And as we speak now, I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes. You're pregnant?
For Tony?
Yes.
Oh my God.
What?
No, that can't be. She can't be pregnant with the father of my son. No. She can't be.
Cindy, I'm sorry. I have sinned against you and I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry for the way I left you in the village with the pregnancy. I was too poor. I was so ashamed I couldn't bear bear the shame of not being able to do my responsibilities as a man, to take care of you. So I left. I took off. And
what? And what, Tony? Listen, whatever plans you have with my sister, you better cancel it because it will not work. Over my dead body, will I watch you be happy with my sister after what you put me through? I dropped out of school because of you. I ruined my life because of you. And now you want to move on with my sister. You want to destroy 2 sisters. And you claim you didn't have anything then. Now that you have something, what is keeping you from doing the right thing, huh?
Cindy, I already said I'm sorry. I will pay you off. I will take care of you. I will do the best I can. You have a son. Yes, you have a son for me. Good. But your sister and I are betrothed. We are going to get married and I love her.
Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you speak of love? What do you know about love? So when you were deceiving me in the village back then, you didn't love me, right? Huh? What were you doing with me then?
My angel. My baby. No, I love you. No, I love you.
I love you too.
My angel. I will love you forever and ever and ever and ever and ever.
Ever and ever as husband and wife, or as what?
I can't even wait for us to get married.
Really?
I can't wait for you to be my wife.
Are you sure about this?
Yes. But you're doubting my love. You're doubting. You're doubting. Alright, come, let's go inside. Let me show you how much I love you.
I don't know about that. You know, I've not done it before now. I want us to wait until we're married. I don't want to be pregnant.
I am even praying that God will make you pregnant so it will motivate me to marry you. Come. Let's go.
Cindy, you slapped me.
And I'll slap you again. I'll slap you over and over again if you open that your gutter mouth and spew rubbish to me. You want to talk about love? You love my sister. What about me? What about me? You're wicked. I will never let it happen. Read my lips. It will not happen. Better start making plans to come and see my parents and get married to me instead of this rubbish you're saying. Stupid. It will not happen. It will not happen. You just want to enjoy my sister to me. I will not let it happen. I will not let my dead body. Talking about love. Did you hear when you got back to? Did you?
Baby, I'm sorry for everything. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry. I really love you so much.
I really love you so much. Same way you love my younger sister. Tony, so you want to destroy 2 sisters, right?
Baby, don't say that. That's not what is happening. It's not what you think. Baby, I have found true love in you. Like true love. And I want to be loyal to you. In fact, I promise to be loyal to you. Baby, you've been like my savior since we met. You know where you picked me up from. I will do everything in my power to love you, to make you happy. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, baby. I'm sorry.
Cindy, I called you here so we can talk as sisters, my beloved sister. You know, it's so fortunate that this thing is happening between us. But I believe we can settle it with love and understanding.
Okay, so what are you suggesting?
What I'm trying to say is that I'm not happy when I see my mates with their kids and husband. It makes me feel bad that at my age I'm not yet married. But you are still very young, very energetic, and I believe that you can find a man of your own because you're still young.
Sister, please can you get to the point? Please.
Like I told you, I am pregnant for the same Tony. So I want to give you some money. I want to give you some money, 2 million naira, to start up something for yourself. You go to the city, you can do anything with it. Get a business, and I promise I will take care of Bright, your son, for you. I'll do anything for him. I've always been doing that.
Did you say 2 million naira?
Yes, 2 million.
Wow. If I understand this correctly, you are trying to pay me off. You're trying to bribe me so I will leave my man for you. Is that what this is about? No, what, sister? No. What are you trying to do exactly? Because you know the truth, you know the right thing to do is to allow this man be with me and our son. What is the meaning of this? Why are you being selfish? Also because you're older and you feel like your mates are all getting married, you're worried about what people will say if I get married before you. That is why I should leave my man for you. Does that even sound okay? I'm young, I can get a man, I'm this, I'm that. How many men came to the village for my hand in marriage? I told you how they all left me when they found that I had a son at home. How am I supposed to find my own husband? Sister, please, I don't want any trouble. You know, when I talk now, they'll say, hey, Cindy, the troublemaker has come. I don't want any trouble. I don't want to drag with you. Just do the right thing and leave the man for me. Why are you being selfish? What about me? You're just pregnant for him. I have a 6-year-old that needs his father, that needs the unit family. Mother, father, and son. So I want a complete family. And I'm not ready to trade him for anything. 2 million naira, that's what you think my husband is worth? Wow. Simply wow. I'm not going to accept it. I will not.
Wait. What if your sister comes here? What are you doing?
Who cares about her? Who cares if she comes here? I don't care. Do you?
Stop this right now.
But I need to go downstairs and get this gate man to run some errands for me.
No.
I'll be back. I'll be back. I just want to get him.
No, I don't want you to go anywhere.
I just want him to buy a few things for me. He's running an errand, that's all. I'm not going anywhere.
No. Anybody that wants to...
Oh, can you stop playing? I just want to go downstairs and get this guy to buy some things for me.
Anyone that wants to see you should come to this room and see you. I'm going nowhere. I know what I'm doing. I'm in charge. We die here, you and I, forever. And I don't want you to leave my side anymore, okay? Okay, let's make up for all the past years, baby. Love you.
I can't believe, yeah, I don't understand. I can't believe it. I don't understand why this wasn't coming in my way. Why are you doing that? Can you tell me, my baby?
Baby, why aren't you sleeping now? Baby, I'm sorry for everything. I'm so sorry, please forgive me. You know how much I love you, very much.
Do you see that too? Because honestly, I'm beginning to doubt this young girl. Now, come to think of this, let's check out the whole thing. Just look at your scenario. You are the father of my sister's son, and now I am pregnant for you. I'm ashamed of myself already. How did I get into this mess? Tony, what did I ever do to you to deserve this kind of treatment? What?
Baby, please don't talk like that. Some things happen, we don't always have the answers. Can still go ahead and get married.
And what? Eh? And what? No, can you hear yourself now? Eh? I'm so ashamed of myself. How do I even face my parents? How? You never told me you have a child? Now I'm pregnant for you. The father of my sister, my younger sister's child. You're so secretive. You never even told me you've been to my village or anything? Oh my God. I don't even know how to face my parents now. I don't even know how to face my parents right now.
I can't believe, yeah, I don't understand. I can't believe it.
I am here the second time to beg you. Please. My pregnancy is almost out. Please. I don't want people to know about it. I mean, not yet. I made you an offer the other time of 2 million naira. I'm here to add an additional 1 million naira to it. You can take it. Go somewhere. Get yourself a place in the city. I can even open a business for you, a boutique. Or any kind of business of your choice. Please, just reason with me, please. I beg you. Please.
What is the meaning of this, sis? Are you sending me out of your house? Because I'm not even understanding you right now. I was on my own, JJ, in the village. You told me to come to the city so that you can help me secure a job. Now that I am here, you're chasing me away because of a man that is not even yours.
No, don't get it wrong, please. No, that's not what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
I said, just there is a reason with me. I had no bad intention, but the situation right now warrants it. Please, can you just see my point of view? Just reason.
What's this reason with me? Am I P-square? Do I look like P-square to you? What is the meaning of this? Oh, you think you can bribe me? It will not work. I am not leaving this house, and if I must leave with my full family. That's my son and my son's father.
Hey! Just shut it. Look at this one. What's this one you're doing? What's the meaning of this? What are you doing that for? Are you this heartless and wicked?
What?
Wait. Look at Cindy, your small Cindy, you that I send money. I'm even offering you 3 million that you've not even smelled in your life. Look at... You should be happy I want to give you that kind of money. I net down here begging you. And you're just...
I'm not interested in your money. You're the wicked one. Bella, you are the wicked one. I'm not supposed to be my big sister. Shouldn't you be the one to be the bigger person? But no, you're selfish. Just because you're scared that your baby bomb is barely coming out, you want me to leave the father of my son for your sake? I am the one that has a 6-year-old child. You don't even have a 1-year-old child yet. And you want me to be the one to be the bigger person? It is not going to work. If I must live with my son and his father. Period.
Wait. Hey? Did she just, like, talk back at me? This girl is this wicked? She's this heartless? Someone she rejected? She can...
I can't believe, I don't understand. I can't believe it. I don't understand why this wasn't coming in my way. Why are you doing that? Can you tell me, my baby? I don't understand why you doing this to me. I don't understand why you all are searching me. I call you my wife, but I don't know why. In my back, you're discussing me. I call you my wife, but I don't know why. In my back, you're discussing me. Oh my wife. Oh my wife, yeah. But my husband, yeah, everything's gonna be right. We all the same, why we fell. We never know it would get this far. Boy, you get.
It is what she thinks. Hey,
what is wrong with you? You're not afraid that your sister just caught us.
What else do you want? Are we hiding? Are we thieves? If she lies, she should come and sit down here and watch blue film. Who cares?
What is wrong with you?
I told you you're mine forever. So you better come back.
You stop. Just stop this now.
You stop. Hey! Come back here! Hey!
calm down and talk to me? What is it?
I just caught my younger sister with my fiance making love inside.
What? You mean you saw Cindy and Tony making out? For what? Are they mad or something? Bella, why would your sister do such a thing to you?
You will not understand. You will not understand. You will not.
Bella, talk to me. I will understand.
She's dragging a man with me, claiming she knows the man before me. So she had to sleep with the man under my roof. Someone she knows I want to get married to. She has no respect whatsoever. Because of a man.
Jesus. This is ridiculous. I mean, why would your sister do such a thing to you? Bella, have you called your parents? So you can tell them about everything that is happening?
Not yet, I haven't.
I think you should call them. So they can call her and talk some sense into her empty head. What is this?
This girl is so ungrateful. So like it. You know how I send her money? She don't have respect for me, no regard for me whatsoever. Because of a man.
Bella, it's okay. It's okay. Just put yourself together. It's okay.
How dare you sleep with my younger sister under my roof? Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Are you mad or something?
Baby, please forgive me. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional. She lured me into it. You have to believe me. Please, I'm sorry.
Under my roof!
Please, baby, just listen to me and forgive me. I beg of you. I beg of you, please. Bella! Baby, please. Please, you have to believe me. I'm sorry. Baby, please. Baby.
If you dare come close to me, I'll break that light in your head. Rubbish.
So, Mom, Dad, that is why I invited the both of you here. The worst part of it is that 2 days ago, I caught my younger sister making love to the man I want to get married to. Listen, you heard me. Prior before that, I caught this girl. I told her, I want to give you 2 million naira so that you can move on with your life and let me be.
2 million?
Mama, 2 million. Then I even told her I will add an additional 1 million. I knelt down before this girl. A girl I am older than with 5 years. I gave her 5 years. Knelt down before her. She insulted me. Called me names and walked out on me. Mama, please, please, come and take this girl out of this place. I don't want to kiss somebody. Come and take her out of this place, please. Else I will bundle her out of my house, please. Please, oh, I am tired. I will not take this insult anymore. I will not. I will not.
My husband, there is a very big problem here.
Hey. Why is this girl Cindy always a problem in this family? Why has this girl decided to bring shame upon this family? Upon all my investments upon them. She's the only one that has not reciprocated it.
BP agent.
Hey! What have I done to this girl? Eh? Oh no. Bella, my daughter.
Sir?
Are you now saying that the same man that impregnated you now is the father of Bright?
Papa, right now I don't even know what to say. That's what she said. I don't know. I don't know because we've not even run DNA tests on this issue. I don't know. It's possible one village rascal must have impregnated her and she's here constituting nuisance in my house. Papa, that girl is such an ingrate. A girl I fed, I brushed up. She came to my house and she's dragging a man with me. Me, her elder sister.
Where are those rascals now?
Oh, please, my husband is not a rascal. It's only your daughter that is a rascal. Don't call my husband a rascal.
If he's not a rascal, why will he be making love to your sister in your own house?
Papa, why are you talking like you don't know your daughter anymore? Ha! Don't you know your daughter? It is possible she forced herself on him.
Stop saying that. That is a dangerous defense.
It's not a dangerous defense, Mama. It's the truth. You know what she can do. Please, take her out of my house. Oh. Please. I don't want this nonsense. I don't want it at all. Such an ingrate. What is this now? Come and take her out of my house. I don't want this. I'll kill her. Oh. I will kill her.
Anyways, we've had you. We cannot take this matter one-sided. We must wait for them to come so that we'll look into it and settle it the way it's supposed to be. But most importantly, go and get us food to eat. In fact, I personally, I am so hungry, so famished.
Sorry, I should have asked you guys what you eat just because of this. I'm sorry. Let me get you food.
All I know is that even if the heavens falls down today, I will not leave this house without my son and his father.
Oh, shut up your mouth. Who is the father of your son?
And his father.
Who is that father?
Cindy, your mother and I came up here to speak with you privately because that boy down there is a total stranger to us. And I think we could talk sense into you. Cindy, let me tell you the bitter truth. You are the cause of all these problems.
How?
Yes. When you got pregnant in the village, your mother and I persuaded you to open up and tell us who was responsible. What did you do? Despite all the pleadings, punishments, everything we did for you to open up to us, you refused. Now, after 6 years, you coincidentally met the same man in your sister's house.
Ebinium.
Without trying to find out what transpired between them. You started fermenting problems and troubles here. Cindy, you are becoming a nuisance. You are becoming too toxic. Let me tell you what. Go get your things packed up. Because you are leaving with us to the village as soon as you are ready to go.
You lie, Papa.
Oh, Mama. Hey, it will not work. After I found the father of my son, I should leave him and follow you to the village. Maka, why? It's not going to happen. Papa, what is the meaning of this? What was the whole point of trying to tell you who got me pregnant when he was nowhere to be found? What is the point in telling you about someone that you cannot even trace? I told you he disappeared. He disappeared into thin air and I could not even trace him. Why would I bother myself telling you about him? Were you going to go and look for him? Do you know where to find him? To be honest, I am not surprised at all at the both of you. I am only disappointed because I knew it. I knew it before now that you are going to side her. You will side your golden Obodo Yibo Ada over me that brought shame to the family. Of course, it's obvious. But what I need to let you all know is that if you like, bring AK-47 and put in my head. Kotekam, like this. I go nowhere except I live here with my husband. Thief. Hey?
Oh no, she.
Can you hear her? Is he married to you? Which husband? This is the rubbish this girl has been saying in this house. Which husband?
Yeah.
No, answer me, which husband?
Is he married to you?
Is he married?
Is he married to you?
Is he your husband?
He's my husband because I'm feeding him. Look at this girl.
Hey.
Take yourself, Papa. Talk to her. Take yourself out of my house.
You lie.
I lie.
I
will teach you that I made you who you are today. Okay.
You're
I will teach you. You're shameless. You're useless. You're useless. Useless girl. Take your self out of my house. Look at this. I'm feeding. Get out of my house. If you don't leave this house, I'll come back here and pick you out of this house.
Drag me, let me see.
Mama. Useless. Out of this house.
Stupid, selfish, and that shit. And that run. If
I don't come back here again.
Take out of my house. I'm not going anywhere.
And I'll kill you.
I'll kill you too. I'll kill you.
All her years in the Obodo, messing around with all those white men.
Is she your husband?
Anybody? Did not see anybody. It's my husband. She wants to come and drag with me. I am not going anywhere.
Did you send her to go and look for husband for you? Eh? Do you know how they met?
God blessed me through her by bringing my husband to me. Is it a bad thing for my big sister to help me in this situation? What kind of life is this, eh?
I go nowhere. Pack your things. For what? Go and pack your. Will I live with my husband? Am I going to live with my husband? Will I live with my husband? Will I go with him? No. So what should I live? I go nowhere. No leave, no transfer. You're supporting evil. Oh, your mama the mad. All of you combined cannot drag him out of this house. Oh, hey. No leave, no transfer. We die here. We die here. Oh, but to come, I go nowhere. Can be here. Yay! Yeah.
Young man, Tony, or whatever you call yourself, having taken my time to listen to your cock and bull stories, I have come to find out that you are just a rascal. A non-entity. A gold digger.
Oh, yes.
Papa.
Home destroyer. You are a calamity personified. First of all, you impregnated my last daughter and ran away. You disappeared. After 6 solid years, you came back again. It is now the turn of my first daughter to be pregnant by you too. You are highly irresponsible. You don't have money. You don't have a house of your own. My daughter feeds you.
Oh, Papa, must you say that?
How are you going to call yourself a man? You are very irresponsible. Now you have set war between my 2 daughters. They are at each other's throats because of you. Now that the situation is like this, how do you go about it? Because I know you don't have money. The only thing you specialize in is ukunu. Entering every hole, and you must ensure that you plant something before you come out. God knows how many you have wherever you are going. Now that the situation is like this, what are you going to do? Tell me how you are going to take care of my grandchild and my first daughter. I'm asking you.
Daddy.
Who's your daddy?
I am sorry for everything. I'm sorry for all the problems I've caused you and your family. To be honest, I am confused myself.
Huh?
I am tired and I don't know what to do. At this point, I've just given it all up to God.
Will you shut up? Giving what to God? You are very stupid. In fact, this young man, you're the most celebrated idiot I've ever seen in my life. Can you hear yourself? In fact, you are not supposed to be called a man. You are a bulk. That is what you are. Imagine you're giving it up to God. Were you in any way in agreement with God when you went into the something? Was God the one that showed you light to that secret hole? Why would you hand it off to God to come and carry your problems? Will you kill God before you know that He's tired of your calamities? It's not okay. It's not. Cindy! Cindy, what is it? What is it, Cindy? Cindy! Cindy, you're pregnant. You are pregnant!
Maybe I am. And Tony is responsible.
Which Tony?
The same Tony now.
Hey! So Cindy, you have the guts to tell me that same Tony again?
Is he not my husband?
What did you say? Mama? So Cindy, this is how you want to disgrace I and your father? Cindy, can you stop? How long, what will it take you to be a good child, Cindy? Hey! God. Anyways, you have me to contend with. Cindy, you have me to contend with. Hey! What's that for? Don't let me talk to you in a manner you don't like. Better don't let me tell you I am disappointed in you. Don't. My husband, Cindy is pregnant again.
For who?
Who else if not this rascal? Who else did he go to have in this house if not?
Hey.
Rubbish.
Hey, Akwamaka. Dielo Kake. Mr. Hey.
Congratulations, Papa boy. So, hey. So my younger sister is pregnant for me. Huh? Ha! Tony, you have pushed me to the wall. You have pushed me to the wall! And you will regret it. I promise you.
Okapo.
Yes, madam.
Henceforth, on no account should Tony cross this gate. Do you hear me?
Yes,
Do you understand me?
Yes, ma.
He must not cross this gate until I say so.
Okay, ma.
Good. Do the needful. Else. Okay.
I go nowhere. Not leaving this house without my husband and my son.
Is he your husband? Is it your husband? He's my husband.
How?
He's my because he's living under my roof. Leave now. Go now.
Leave with someone else's husband. Shameless.
Leave my husband alone.
I am carrying his child.
I am carrying his child too. Please
go first.
Go ahead.
I'm
leave my house.
I'm not going to.
I will bundle you out of this house.
Try it.
I will bundle you.
Try it.
Hey. This girl should leave my house.
I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
What is going on in my house?
What is wrong with you?
Anywhere.
This is my
house.
house.
What is wrong with both of you?
Papa, I'm serious. I'm just serious.
I'm serious. I'm not going. I'm not going.
Then I will take your dead body out of this house.
Guys, do you both of you, do you know what we are into? Do you both know that you are pregnant for a man?
My husband.
Shut up! What husband? Hey! If you both know the abominable situation we are in now, you should sit down and start thinking how we come out of it.
There's only one way out of this.
It's for her to die.
For me to live here with my husband.
It's a dead body.
Hey! If you try me, shut up. Why are you telling me to shut up? Hey! If you let go, I'm not going anywhere.
Shut up! Do you know you're very shameless? Look at you. You should be ashamed of yourself. You a dropout.
Who made me a dropout?
Because you made yourself a dropout.
It was set on me.
Because if you had listened to me,
I dropped out of school because that idiot got me pregnant. That is the one reason why he must marry me.
And you are pregnant again for the family.
He cannot ruin my life and go scot-free. We must be
shut up before you
together.
to finish your mouth. Look at you. Upon all the millions I invested on you, you amount to nothing. Your sister is now a master's degree holder. From Cambridge University.
Master's degree holder, dragging a man with
shut up!
Shameless master's degree.
You are the one that is shameless. Bringing problem every day in this family. What
Better flush that rubbish inside of your womb. Flush it out. Because it will not work. If you think that's what you used to tie my husband. Hey! You lie!
Something is wrong. Is it that you are into drugs? Or you are doing something else?
I am fighting for my rights.
This is not
justice for me. Justice from me.
Justice will kill you. Justice will kill you.
Hey, I'm not going to call a car for. Call nothing. Call Okenna. I am not going anywhere.
International impregnator. Where do you think you're going to?
Respect yourself.
Yeah. Okay, ma. Oh, my God, Mozo. I'm single bone. Come on. Go back. When you're finished doing the work, you came here to do. Where do you think you're going to with your bag?
Just calm down. You know me, it's me. I go still sort you out later. You know, say you know my guy now. You're my guy. I go see you.
Come on, get
Tony, you want to run away, right?
No, I'm not running away. I'm going to see my friend. I'll be back soon. I just want to go and check a few things.
With your bag? Why are you going to with that bag? My friend, take that bag from him. Inside. Inside! Oh, you ran away from my sister. You want to do that with me, right? I will not let you do that with me. You won't try it. Go inside. Be a man and take responsibilities for your action. You're not going anywhere. You have to take responsibilities of your action. Be a man. You impregnated my sister. I've not even finished with that. You're running away. For who now? You ran away from my sister after feeding you this fresh. You want to leave my house. You go nowhere. You go.
Baby, I'm sorry for everything. I'm really sorry for everything. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. I'm so ashamed of myself. I cannot bear the heat and the shame of this anymore. I'm sorry. Please. I need to go.
Go where? Eh? Oh, so you wanted to run away, Tony? You wanted to run away and leave me in this house with my pregnancy, Tony. You are heartless. You are very stupid. You are a wicked soul. See, let me tell you, you don't know the havoc of what you... In fact, you don't know the gravity of what you did. You impregnated 2 sisters from the same mother, the same parents, in the same roof. You wanted to run away. Oh, Tony, you are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. You die here. You will not leave this place. You are not going anywhere.
I understand. I'm willing to do anything. I'm willing to sell everything in my position, give everything, just so that I can pay you back. Please just let me go.
You're very stupid. In fact, turn that fire in 10 times. Turn that fire, you scatter in pieces. What do you want to sell? Do you have anything to sell? I want to go. Man up and take responsibilities of your action. You're not going anywhere. You want to say, what do you have to say? Everything you have, I gave them to you. You won't sell them, I'll take them from you. You wanted to run away. In fact, I will lock this room. You are not leaving this room. Stay here. After committing this rubbish for 2 sisters, you want to run away. You sell everything. What do you have to sell?
But my husband, yeah.
Mr. Mark, I've asked you this question before, and I'm asking you again. What do you want to do now that my 2 daughters are pregnant for you at the same time? How do you want to handle it? Because you must make a decision today, here and now.
Have you suddenly gone deaf and dumb? Eh? Why are you moping? I'm asking you. Okay, in case you don't understand, you want me to spell it out for you? The question is this. Who among my daughters do you want to marry? Eh? Answer.
Papa, please let me see you outside. I just want to talk to you for a few minutes.
There is no secret talk here. This is an open ground. All of us are involved. In fact, you are most involved. Because you are the one who has entered here and entered there. So you should be able to say it freely.
I can't make a decision here. My life is at stake, please. I just want to talk to him outside and let him know a few things personally.
You lie! Who is that your life? Liar! And why did you say that and you were looking at me?
Will you shut up your mouth?
Papa, don't tell me to shut up. Don't tell me to come and say it. Yeah, there's no two aside anywhere. Say it out in the open. Shut up. Mama, I'm pregnant. Oh, don't hurt my child.
Yes, I was once pregnant of you. I had you, I gave birth to you.
And did your mother beat you up when you were pregnant?
I never gave birth. That your own is too much.
Will you both keep quiet? I wonder if you understand the calamity that this family is going into. This is capable of destroying.
Hey, you! So this is where you're standing. Yeah. Let me tell you. If you know what is good for you, better go back in there and tell my parents that I'm the one you're interested in getting married to, or else I'll make life miserable for you.
Cindy, do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me? Yes, I know I made a mistake the first time I got you pregnant, but this second one is completely your fault. You forced me to sleep with you, so let me be.
Did I put a gun to your head? Are you a child? Did I put a gun to your head? Did I rape you? Hey, see, don't even play that dumb joke with me. Better come back inside and say what you're going to do. You're going to marry me, and that is final. I'm waiting for you inside, or else you're going to suffer. I'll make life miserable for you. I'll make sure you suffer. Hey, come back. Come back inside and say the truth, or else.
I'm grateful for everything you've done. And I'm sorry for all the problems I've caused you. I want to let you know that I love you. I am the one that I truly want to love. But the problem is your sister, Cindy. She's threatening to kill me if I marry you. What do we do to get her out of the way?
Yeah, too. Get out of wish me.
Eh? Is it not better she kills you? Tony, you have frustrated my life. I never planned for this nonsense. You have frustrated my life.
Bella, that's why I'm saying I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please. She forced herself on me. She forced me into it.
She forced me? Eh? I beg, don't even tell me that nonsense. How did she force you? Eh? That small girl forced herself on you and slept with you. She overpowered you now as a small child that you are. Please say something else, I beg. Don't even say that nonsense. Okay, you're claiming you love me, you want to marry me, blah 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 blah. Why did you not tell my parents?
Because I'm afraid of Cindy. I'm afraid of her. She's threatening to kill me. I don't think you understand the kind of person.
Are you not a man? You're afraid of a small girl. Are you not a man? Can't you even fight and beat her out for me? Let me even be scolding you in presence of my parents. Eh? Okay. So settle this whole thing. You have to go and tell my parents. Go back there and tell my parents that I am the one you marry and I'm the one you love. That's the only thing that will make me listen to this your stories that you are telling me, Kokampo stories. Go back there. Go and tell them. You know, man up, ditch that small girl for me. Let me even be by your side, and my parents will be like even begging me on your behalf.
Yes, my children. I called both of you so that I can talk to you. At least talk some senses into you. You know, my wife and I will soon be leaving for the village. We have overstayed our welcome here. We never planned to stay this long. There's things that are going on in this house. Could not let us go. I want to make you to understand that you should know that we are getting older and we're getting weaker. All we need now is peace of mind, care, love. But from you both, at least let us get dividends of love and care that we showed you when you were growing up. Huh? Please.
Bella. Cindy. My husband have said it. You see, I want you girls to embrace peace. Embrace peace. That is the only thing you can do to save the face of our family. I'm not sure you girls have taken your time to think back. Ask yourself, if we continue like this, what will be the outcome of things? Or do you want to kill me before my time?
God forbid, Mama, you will not die.
You want me to die before my time, you tell me.
Mama, Papa, can we just go straight to the point, eh? There's no time, if I draw, let's go straight to the point.
So what I'm saying does not mean anything to you. Cindy?
Yes, leave me alone. I am sure whoever called this meeting for a reason. We are driving to a point. Are we not? Let's go there now. Let's get to it. Let's get to it.
My dear, please, leave Cindy. Don't mind her. Cindy.
Jesus.
I want you to remember that we used to be one big, lovable, peaceful family. We're always happy.
Yes.
Before this idiot found his way into our family and killed everything that we had built. I also want you to understand We cannot go anywhere this way you are going. I want you to remember that this your sister loved you so much. Even when we rejected you with pregnancy, she didn't leave you.
God bless you. Remind this ingrate. God bless you.
She showed you love. She cared for you. She was in school in London and she was sending you money. If not for this your sister, I don't know where you would have been. She was taking care of you and taking care of Bright. She pleaded with us to accept you back home, and we did. Please, I want to beg you. It is time for you to pay back for the love she showed you.
Mind her. I need to sacrifice.
Allow your sister to marry that man. In as much as I don't like him.
Oh.
But she's getting older.
Thank you. Thank you.
She's not young anymore.
God bless you.
And she has gotten to a stage where somebody should be asking her, who is your husband?
Where are your children?
Where are your children?
Thank you. Thank you.
My daughter, you are beautiful. Very young and attractive. If I see suitors, better ones to come and marry you, please, my daughter.
Mama.
Papa, what is the meaning of this? What gang up is this? Hey, you people want to emotionally blackmail me, so I'll leave my husband for her simply because she's old and she's getting old and she needs to get married and she's afraid of society. And what they will say if I get married for her? Is that not selfishness? Is that not? I don't like this, you know. I don't like it at all. I don't shut up your mouth. I'm not going to shut up. Papa, what are you saying? That I'm going to get suitors? Hey, have you forgotten so soon? Let me ask you, how many men, how many eligible bachelors came to the house in the village to seek for my hand in marriage? What happened? The moment they noticed that I have a 6-year-old son out of wedlock, they all flee. They run away, disappear, and I won't see them again. Then you shut up! How will I not get the husband that will marry me if I let her have my own husband, my future husband? I will not have you. I will not. It will not happen. If it's because of the money that you spent on me, how much is it? I'll pay you back. How grateful you are. So what about my husband? He is not for sale. If you try me, I will burn this house and everybody will die and rest in pieces. You'll be the one to die first. It crashes, you go down. We are all going to go down. If I don't live here with my husband, hey, auntie, go and look for your husband. Go and look for your. See, you have masters, but you don't have sense. Go and get your husband. You want to drag husband with your younger sister. Don't you have shame? Woo! Mama, no, you're a mad girl.
You mean your sister Cindy is pregnant again in your house? Oh my God. Thank God this is not happening to me. Else, you know what I can do. You know I don't take rubbish. What kind of rubbish is this?
Honestly, I'm tired. I don't even know what to do. Go, she refused. I don't understand. Okay, let me give you money to start or something. No. What can I do?
Bella, did you just say you don't know what to do? No, sit down. Sit down there so your sister can kill you and take over everything you've worked hard for. Sit down and watch her. By the way, what are your parents saying about it?
They tried talking to her. But she's proving stubborn. She's just been stubborn and I don't know. That girl, she's so heartless. So she forgot everything I did for her. She forgot everything I did for her when she was in the village. And now she's just dragging a man with me. Hey, jeez, people are ungrateful. Not even my own blood sister. What do I do?
Do you want me to tell you what to do?
That's why I'm telling you this now. Tell me. Leaving this house. Nonsense. Just leaving this house. Enough of this time. Take your things and get out of my house. Take my bag inside, sister. I don't like. Take your things. Get out of my house. You're leaving this house. Sister, take your things out of my house. What is the meaning of this? Take your things out of my house. I don't want to leave here. I'm telling you to take it easy. Tell her to leave my house. Enough of this nonsense. Leave my house. Husband. What is his which husband? Once my son is back from school, I'm coming for him.
You want to kill me? Leave me alone. What kind of
Why
nonsense?
you going back inside? She said we should leave. The wife, she said your wife should leave. You are supposed to follow your wife. Which wife? Which wife? Is he married to you? Leave him.
Okay, the two of you just stop it now.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it. My son, once he's back from school, don't you think about it? Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Why are you telling me to leave?
I can't believe. Yeah, I don't understand.
Are you okay?
Pain. I feel so much pain.
What do you mean pain?
I can't get up. I can't get up. I can't get up.
What do you mean you can't get up?
I can't feel my legs too.
Are you for real?
Oh my god, I can't feel.
Wait.
I can't feel my legs.
Are you feeling anything?
No. I can't feel anything.
I don't understand.
I can't feel anything. I can't feel my legs.
Are you? Then we need to take you to the hospital. Cindy! Mama! Anybody! You can't feel anything?
I can't feel anything.
Nothing!
But I feel so much pain in my back.
Oh my god. Baby, are you okay? Cindy! Cindy! Mama!
Don't ask me. Ask her. She knows exactly what happened to him. Doctor, this evil sister of mine has been dragging my husband. This is my husband. Of 6 years, she wants him for herself. So because he does not know who to choose, she now went to do juju so that he will be invalid. And I'm sure these are big ways she used in destroying his spinal cord because every night, I will not sleep, I will not rest. Ask her, she knows exactly what happened to you. Better start confess. Better confess now.
Don't worry. He went to bed healthy. He was okay. I don't understand where this is coming from. What is the problem, doctor?
Did you say you don't know where it's coming from? Liar! Doctor, she knows exactly what is wrong with him. I am sure she used juju on you.
Doctor, please ignore her, please. What is the problem? What's happening?
Okay. The young man needs to undergo a surgery because his spinal cord is badly affected.
Hey, wait! Are you trying to say that he may not walk again?
And we have to look into it.
Oh wow, God, look into it, give me.
Find out.
Oh wow, I'm not going to be here while you find out. I'm out of here.
Yeah?
No,
I thought you said he's your husband.
No, he's not.
Please.
Are you sure of what you just said? Spinal cord is what?
I'm confused. Who is she to you?
Doctor, please ignore her.
Bella, what are you saying? You mean he can't walk? What happened to him?
Papa, I will tell you what happened to him. Hey, your precious father here has succeeded in damaging Tony's spinal cord. Now he cannot even walk. He can't stand.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Anyways, it's good for him. At least my daughters can live in peace, my dear husband. Don't you think so?
Mom, you stop that.
You don't mind what you say.
What do you want me to say?
If anything happens to that man, or if he dies, who is going to take care of these 2 pregnancies?
Who has been taking care? What has he been doing?
Mama, oh, ask Kwano, what has he been doing? Has he been taking care of the child? My own child that I've had for 6 years. How much has he spent on him? Not even a dime. Was it not my sister here that was taking care of us? And he was even busy staying here, enjoying my sister's money.
Will you shut up? Your sister that you don't have respect for.
She disrespected herself first by dragging a man with me. Anyway, he can't even stand, let alone perform in bed. Anyway, you said what? Mama, nothing. He go to one who cannot perform again.
Are you saying the Maradona in my house has lost his tactics?
Hey! The Higo has been Higoless, Mama!
Sister, please, you can have
Will you shut up?
My dear husband, Miss Agusigo.
Adam, just forget about
the reason we have been calling for one family meeting or the other. It has finished. Meeting our Google, church, Abasa, graduate, master's degree holder. Go ahead and have him here. You don't need to drag him with me anymore. I don't leave him for you. Who needs a weakling anyway? Somebody that cannot even perform. Yawn if you like.
Snap off this mood, girlfriend. Listen to me. I think this is the way God wants to free you from that beast, that wicked man. And I will advise you abandon him in that hospital. Let his people come and take care of him. You have to move on with your life. Move on.
I love Tony. I love Tony so much. I can't abandon him. That man saved my life. I keep telling you people, he saved my life. I can't leave him.
What do you mean by you can't? What's wrong with you? Leave this man and move on with your life. Have you forgotten what this man did to you and your sister?
I can't. He saved my life. Even if I have to leave him. I mean, not now. It's not that he needs me the most. I don't even think I want to leave him. I love him. I can't.
You love him? Then go and save him. Go and save him for your sister Cindy.
Listen, Tony is a very nice.
Doctor, please. Is there nothing you can do so he can walk again?
My dear, we have carried out all the necessary tests, but we couldn't see anything. And on this note, I would say this is spiritual.
What? Spiritual?
Yeah.
How? Spiritual? Is this possible?
I will also advise if we can convert him to a wheelchair. Yes, while he still receives his treatment, and I believe by the special grace of God, there will be a miracle.
Wheelchair?
Yes, but it's not permanent. Please, just calm yourself down.
Wait, okay. Are you trying to tell me that he might get well, but he has to be using the wheelchair for now?
Thank you very much. That is exactly what I said. For now, while he receives his treatment.
Okay. What can I say? Okay.
Calm down, stop crying. Okay? Stop crying. Thank you.
Cindy, it's been 3 days that young man has been in the hospital. Have you gone to see him and check how he has been doing?
Yeah, gone to see him. And why would I do such a thing? I will not go. I'm not going to see him or anybody. All I know is that his bedmate will continue to take care of him. My own is that she should return my husband in one piece. There will be war. There will be war from her.
Cindy, for once I expected you to have visited that young man. Huh? At least once.
Was I the one that put him in that position?
How is the young man? How is he? Adam, welcome. Oh.
Huh? What's your face like this?
What is wrong with you? What is it?
Hey. What?
Papa.
Yes, mother.
Mama. Tony will be using the wheelchair.
Eh?
What?
Wheelchair? Hey! Hey! And who will be the wheelbarrow pusher? Ah, of course.
Who said that?
Doctor.
The doctor.
So finally, that is where he is going to be.
Hey! Oh, Mego Kwano! Hey! Chukwabia ma ozago nume pele famu se justice. Oh, wow, anyway. Zap each other. Hey!
Nobody's dragging you into anymore.
Collect him. Hey! My daughter, please. I understand her. Eh? Please just put yourself together. This is not enough for you to kill yourself.
Now you see she never loved him.
Yes.
She's just been wicked, heartless and ungrateful.
It's okay. Nothing is worth dying for. Nothing. So just forget Cindy, your sister. Eh? That is her own idea about it. You also should think of how to bring yourself out of the whole scenario.
Mama, please. Mama, please. I do not need this right now. I beg you, please. Please.
You wouldn't know. It might be a payback for him. You know that young man has brought so much shame to our family.
What are you saying?
Am I saying that this could be how God wants it? That is what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
God, nemesis is a sure thing. Karma. Odendo.
She doesn't need this now. You don't need to talk to her this way.
What she needs that is the truth. And the truth is to let her know that karma is real. So that guy is getting his payback. Okay, so you love what that young man has been doing to us, or what he did to us. And you think that there's no nemesis. Karma is...
After, I will be thinking where Cindy got her flipping mouth.
It's your blood.
Exactly.
It's your blood.
Look at it.
It is your blood.
Why you doing this to me? I don't understand why you all are searching me. I call you my wife, but I don't know why. In my back, you're discussing me. I call you my wife, but I don't know why. In my back, you discussing me. Oh,
is this the wheelchair? Hey, so is this true? It is the wait. I want to open. Let me see his cursed face. Mr. Man, I told you I laid heavy curses on you. You thought I was joking. Next time you will not mess with a scorned woman. You will not mess with me. Have you seen your life? Hey. You know what? Also, now easy. This is just the beginning. After I'm done with you, you will run under and see any woman that looks like me. See how you have broken your waist, jumping from a sister to sister. Open has broken. What was that? What weakness? You know what? Carry him. Hey, it's that big. Go and carry that your waist that you're using.
I will advise you take that cripple out of your house. In fact, get him out of your life. That young man has done us more harm than good as a family. What else are you waiting for?
Tell her.
I don't want when I talk to. Just keep that your number to yourself. Don't you get it? Let him go. So that you'll be free and live a beautiful life onwards. What a bad luck now block on for what?
Mama, I will still tell her the truth. Nne, what are you doing with a crippled man? A very beautiful young girl like you is loving up a crippled man. Does it make sense? Or did he use jazz on you? See how the whole place is smelling since he brought him home. I'm sure he has not even washed up. What kind of rubbish is this? I can't stay here. Thank God I'm going back to the village. I cannot be here.
You will soon go back to the village? Yes. Oh, so you just realize you will go back to the village. I'm sure you will bundle him with the wheelchair along with you because you say that not to attach my husband and my son.
You're forbid.
Yes. And you say not to attach my husband and my son.
He's not my husband. Mama, please clean your mouth. There's power in the tongue. How can you suggest that I take him with me? To where? Who will take care of him? Mua with Cindy. I can never marry a crippled man. God forbid. She can have him. Nyama. Hey, better wash him up fast. You're going on. This smell is just
but I don't know why. In my back, you're discussing me. I call you my wife, but I don't know why. In my back, you discussing me. Oh my wife. Oh my wife. Yeah.
I heard everything. But before you throw me out, I want to apologize. I'm sorry. I've caused you a lot of pain. And I do not deserve your love. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry.
To get this, though it not mean to hurt you, you had to understand this. We only looking for pleasure, we only want satisfaction.
Baby, I want to thank you for everything you've been doing for me. And I want you to know that I love you. Thank you.
What are you doing? Hey! Are you this classless? Hey! What is this? This is not ordinary. It is obvious that this is not ordinary. Are you using your sense at all? With all your wealth and your level of education, you are loving a crippled, hungry, broke man, and you're even about to kiss him. I will tell mama and I will tell papa. And you, homeless man, you're happy, you're sitting down, a woman is loving you and harboring you in her house. And are you even a man? You are even pushing your man like ostrich and you want to kiss back. Come on, will you? Keep that your mouth one place. You! I'm disappointed in you. Hey! Yeah, something I cannot even do. Nobody. Hey!
Help! Help, oh, is anybody there? Mama? Bella? Cindy? Help! Please, is anybody there or...
What is it? Why are you making noise? Eh? What is the noise all about? Mama, do you want to bring down this house?
I'm sorry, Mama. I don't mean to disturb you. I just need your help. I want to use the restroom. If you can help me, please.
Thunder fire that your mouth. Let thunder blast that mouth. Let me look at that mouth you used telling me. Help you. So this mouth is what, if not for one thing, I'll use left hand and blast your face. Eh? So after defiling my daughters and turning them to cat and rat, you still have the mind to build corner intention of turning me to your maid. You are very stupid. To think you could turn me into a maid. Let that restroom rest in. Let that restroom rest under your bum bum. Put there, put inside that place. Nonsense. Let me hear your fear again, you see what will happen to you. Shout that help. You tell me if this is a help house.
pig. How could you mess up the toilet like that? Hey, I'm talking to you. Better look at me. See, you're crippled. You're not an imbecile. You can actually use your hand to flush, can't you? I'm talking to you. What kind of mess is that? Do I look like a maid? Hey, I'm not my sister. I'm not my sister that I just here eating her money and she's treating you like a king. You're not the king, you're a peasant. You better go and clean up that mess before I change it for you. Hey! Wheel yourself there. You know how you build yourself back here? Better wheel yourself back to the toilet and clean it up before I deal with you. I'm talking to you.
Cindy, you're taking tablets. Are you sick? What is wrong with you? Let me see what you're looking.
Mama, leave me alone. I don't want to have this chat with that crippled man. I'm no longer interested in him.
I don't want to have that crippled man. You just realized that? Can you hear yourself? You just realized you don't want to have a child for him again. But you never realized that when you opened your legs.
That's beside the point.
What made it beside the point?
All I'm saying is that I don't want to have another child for that idiot. My sister can have him. They deserve each other.
You should have thought that. You should have thought of that and never fought for him.
I regret it. She can have him.
God will have mercy.
Amen.
What a bad luck. Go! I want you to leave this house. You must leave. I will never allow you to succeed. You see all those hard knocks you brought into my house, hatred and all that. Today is the end. You are leaving this house, whether you like it or not. I don't know where you are. Oh, careful! Open the gate, let this calamity leave my house. Open the gate, that's something. Open. Let him leave. Leave and come back no more. If I see anything that resembles you in this house again, I will set you on fire. Oh yeah. This is the end point. Go and don't come back again. I don't want to ever see you in my house. Read my lips. I don't want to ever see you. I've told you that before and I'm still telling you again. Go and come back no more. I don't want to see you. Are you? Okay, you see this abomination? I don't want to see him in my house. This is total calamity. I don't want him in my house. Disaster. In fact, I don't know how to qualify him because he has so many attributes that are highly negative, very corrosive and acidic. I don't want to see him anywhere close to my house. If I see him here again, I will not only set him on fire, consider yourself fired. Yes. Okafor, make sure he don't come inside here. Close the gate. Let me go and get his bag. Close the gate! Open door. End of road. This is your bag. If you like, go to south, go to east, go anywhere you like, follow. But make sure you don't reverse. I don't want to ever see you again. If I were you, you would join those church people and go and take deliverance and see whether the Lord can wash you head to toe. But the way I am seeing you now, you will keep your ears deaf. Even their music will not touch you. But let me turn you so that you will face through the hair. Face like this. This is road to north. Don't come back again. And you had me. Move him front more. Nonsense. Close. Are you trying to bring him back? Back close. Lock the gate and give me key fast. Lock lock the gate and give it here. Are you not hearing me?
I don't understand.
Wait, let me show you.
I can't believe it. I don't understand why this whole thing coming in my way. Why are you doing that? Can you tell me, my baby? I don't understand why you doing this to me. I don't understand why you all are snitching me.
Mama, what is the meaning of this?
I should be asking you the meaning of that.
Mama, what kind of nonsense is this? How could you do that? How can you chase my fiancé outside the gate and lock him outside? Why would you do that kind of a thing? Don't you have human sympathy?
So you had the gut to bring this calamity, this disaster back to your life?
Mama, I don't like this. I do not like this. What if I had not gotten the spare key? How would I have gotten into the compound? How?
I helped you to send the evil away out of your life, and you had the gut to bring him back and come here to rant.
Mama, don't do this again. Did I tell you he's evil? What kind of problem is this now? How can't I have peace in my own house? I don't understand. Hey. You are here, your other daughter is here, Papa is here. What is the problem now?
No.
Mama,
Just hold it there. I hold it there.
Mama, I don't like this. This is my house. This nonsense should stop.
Don't tell me this is your house.
Stop. You have locked me outside in my own house. What kind of nonsense is this now?
Your own house again.
Mama, don't try this next time.
I am the original landlady of this house. If you don't know, let me tell you.
You don't even behave like your mother. You don't have human sympathy.
I am my husband gave birth to you. Say you invested on you. Say you to Cambridge where you make money to build this house, and you're coming to tell me it's your house. I'm the original landlady of this house. Let me tell you.
Where's Okafor? Okafor! I know what to bring his back in. Send him out.
Oh, you're so funny. That's so funny.
Mama, what are you doing here?
Go to that
Mama, stop this now. What is this now? How did you even get here? How did you get in here? Can't I have privacy in my own house again? What is this now?
I just feel I should close my eyes and have you turn into a baby so that I will flog hell out of you.
Well, I'm not a baby, Mama. Please don't do this now.
And you're not reasoning.
I'm in love.
You're in love. It's charms through the box.
Charms, where?
Yes. This is not ordinary. Young man, I say you should stand up.
Mama. Stop, Mama. Stop this now. Leave him alone. Leave him alone now. What is your problem? What is your business?
Don't worry. 5 minutes I give to you to stand up or even roll yourself to that wheelchair. I don't care how you get yourself into it. 5 minutes, I will be right back.
Mama, please leave my room. Please, don't even come back. Which 5 minutes? I'm going to work.
5 minutes?
Which 5 minutes? What kind of thing is this one? People just be bashing into people's no privacy in my own house. What nonsense. Come back. I'm coming with hot water. Wait for Mama, please go. Don't even come back. How can you just...
Don't lock this door. Because if you lock it, I will break it.
Mama, go.
If you try to lock this door.
Mama, go.
I can't believe.
Well, my brother.
I don't understand.
All we've been trying to tell you is for your own good, for your future. Looking at that young man now, he's incapable of doing anything. He's been confined to the wheelchair. He can't even perform his duties on the bed as a man. Come to think of it, if your baby comes, can he take care of you and your baby? Or are you going to continue doing the man's duty while he turn around to be your real? How long will you suffer this? My dear daughter, think. Think. Huh? Hi.
Bella. This same young man was the same young man that fathered Bright, the son of your younger sister. And not just that he fathered Bright, he impregnated your sister and disappeared into thin air. As you speak, he is the same young man responsible for your sister's second pregnancy. And also responsible for your own pregnancy. Can you have your mind thrown back? Take your mind round and ask yourself, who knows how many women this young man must have pregnanted out there? Hence, he has automatically turned to a bounty shooter.
What's that? Mama, what did you just call him?
Bounty what? A bounty shooter, he is.
I don't call him that. I've told you, stop calling my fiancé names. I don't like it. Let's be sincere here. Let's be sincere here. Mama, please, stop calling my fiancé names. I beg you. Let's be sincere about this whole thing. When Cindy met Tony in the village, I was not there. Neither do I know Tony. I don't know him. When I met Tony in the city, Cindy was not there. If not that Cindy forced herself on Tony, she wouldn't have been pregnant. So can't you see this is just mere coincidence? As far as I'm concerned, my dear parents, Tony is innocent. Cindy is to be blamed for this pregnancy right now because I'm very sure she forced herself on him. Mama, please. I love this man. I love him and I want to marry him. Because if not for Tony and God Almighty, I would have been a dead woman by now. Please, Mama, I am done with this conversation. Talk to your daughter. Thank you.
Tony, I've heard what you said. I don't understand what you want me to do here. My daughter cannot be suffering. Tell me, how can you take care of her if eventually I give you my blessings? You can't work. You can't do anything. When she delivers the baby, how are you going to take care of her and the baby? Let me ask you. If you were in my shoes, would you do what you're asking me to do right now? Answer me.
Papa, everything that happened is from carelessness. It was all a mistake. And I regret all of it. I'm sorry. But please, Papa, I truly love your daughter. I truly do.
If I may ask, because you have not even said anything since, which of my daughters are you referring to?
Bella. I love Bella, Papa. She's the one that I love. She's the one that I want you to bless us, to bless our union. Please.
Young man, you can say for yourself that I love my daughter so much. And I don't want her to suffer. She has suffered enough trauma, enough psychological torture, emotional torture. I will advise you. Leave my daughter alone. and go back to wherever you are coming from. Please.
I don't understand why you doing this to me. I don't understand why you are such a me. I call you my wife, but I don't know why. Baby, my back,
this is Monica.
Yes.
Full body workout.
You say so. Anything for you. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Baby. Please, can you try and walk for me? Please.
Baby, you know I can't.
Please, just try. Please. Try. You won't fall. I'm here. Good. Yes.
Oh, no, it's too painful. It's too painful. Oh my God.
Hey, is that painful?
Yes, baby. It's too painful. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Thank God. The doctor said this is just temporary. It is not permanent. With what God can do doesn't exist. With God, nothing is impossible. Okay?
Young man, it's a check of 5 million.
Take it now.
What for?
Have it. Have it first.
I want to know what for first.
Okay. Young man, since you want to know, I called you out here for us to discuss, reason like mature people. To be reasonable about things that are happening around my life now. Looking at your condition, my wife and I decided that we'll give you this check of 5 million so that you can go and find yourself a better life. You can do anything you want to do with it. Then leave my daughter alone.
Mama, Papa, no amount of money will replace Bella's love in my heart.
Huh?
I want to spend the rest of my life with her, and I love her.
My husband, see what I told you.
Imagine.
Even part of this money can buy you as many wives as possible. Better wives that are even more intelligent, wealthy, beautiful, more than my daughter. So what is it? Why would you reject this kind of amount of money?
Papa, Mama, I love Bella. Bella loves me. I want to spend the rest of my life with her. I want to marry her. I need your support. Not this.
Like this. Like this.
You are a liar. You are a very big liar. In fact, you will not succeed. Now I know that they sent you from the pit of hell to come and destroy my family. Death or alive, you will never succeed. I am not dead, I am still alive. Eh? You are rejecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 million naira. That is what you rejected.
kind of money that you have never seen in your life. I am sure you can never work it out in your entire life. That is what you just did. Say you love my data, I love my data. You will not succeed. Go to, if you know where that love, where from the cover where they put that love from, take it back.
I can't believe.
Cindy! Help! Cindy! Anybody?
Hey, what is it? Why are you shouting? Shouting? Why are you stopping the whole neighborhood? What is it?
I'm sorry to disturb you. Please, can you help me with water? I'm very thirsty.
Call the room temperature.
Anyone. Thank you so much.
To service, sir. How is that? Is that cold enough for you or warm enough for you? Is that enough or should I bring more and pour on you? Rubbish. Can you help me get water? Do I look like your maid? You must be very stupid. After everything, you think you can send me on different errands? Huh? I told you, I have laid heavy curses on you. And you see this is just the beginning. You will suffer for frustrating my life. For pausing my life, for making me drop out of school and becoming almost useless. I will make sure you pay for it. And you said something very funny. That the first time you got me pregnant was a mistake. But the second time was my fault because I forced myself on you, right? You are right. Of all the rubbish you said in this life, that's the one thing you're right about. This was clearly a mistake. And guess what? If you think I'm still carrying your child, it was very stupid. That child is down the drain. Gone! Because I don't want to ever have a child for a useless, stupid, wicked man like you. Stupid. This is not. See, I've not even started. It's just the genesis of your frustration. I will make sure I frustrate you the same way you frustrated me. Stupid fool. Drink! Drink!
I can't believe.
Baby! How are you?
I don't understand.
Where's Mama? The house is so quiet. Where's everybody?
Baby, you know I don't talk to anyone anymore. I'm always on my own.
I know, right? Okay, let me go look for them, eh? I have... Don't worry, darling.
Baby, babe!
Sister, are you back, honey? Sister?
Tony, where's my bag open? Tony. Where's my money?
The best thing for you to do now is to go and bring out that money where you kept it. Because it's obvious, you stole the money. You were all alone with Bella in that room. So bring out that money.
The truth is that I did not steal that money. It wasn't long ago that you offered me 5 million naira, you and Mama. Why would I steal money from my own woman?
Are you mad? What woman are you talking about? Who's your woman?
Yes.
What is this?
What is it?
Why did you slap? Why would I slap?
Did I ask you to do that?
It's not my money. It's not my money. It's my sister's money. Why would you steal from you? We're talking. You're even saying my woman, my woman. Is this the right time for you to say your woman? Is she your woman? Okay, it is.
Don't try this again.
You're saying that you stole money. You're here calling someone your woman.
That's okay. It's okay.
Please don't even try. In fact, did I ask you to do that? Is it your money? In fact, everybody should stay out of this. Who else stole the money? Stop drinking Panadol in another man's headache. Please, leave this matter alone. I beg you. Please.
This is not longer
please.
Okay.
What is this?
It's your money.
Yeah.
Papa, it's my money. Stay out of it. I don't try this again, no.
Are you saying that my family? Who else is a stranger here?
Bella, my daughter, listen to me. Bella, listen. And listen carefully. We have done a lot of mistakes in this family. And we cannot afford to continue with mistakes. Allowing a thief to live with us in this family again is out of the place.
But you're not sure. You're not sure he stole the money. There's no proof.
Then who else? Who else? Please, 2 things are involved here. It's either you allow this common criminal, this thief, to leave our family alone, or we leave for you.
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to disappoint you. He's going nowhere. Hey! He goes nowhere. No leave, no transfer.
Papa, have you seen it? I have been saying this. This man does that. What is this? This not nice. Oh, you're picking a cripple over your family. Oh, my God. Papa, let's go. We're leaving this house today. Oh, rubbish.
My darling wife, it is obvious you are going to. After all, we have a home.
Go.
What is it? Leave my bag alone. Now, listen.
Even if you have to put this way, I beg you.
No, it is this way. It is this way. You have decided that it should be this way. Bella, you know I love you. I had loved you and I still love you. But to this one, hence you have chosen Tony, a crippled man on wheelchair. Really? Over us, your parents.
Over us.
No.
Over us.
Papa, stay with him. Marry him. Boyfriend him. Do everything you want to do with him.
Stay with your crippled man. Papa,
hey! Leave my club.
Even if it's one way, leave us alone. One way. Hey!
Lock the gate. I locked the gate.
I tried talking to them, but none of them agreed to listen to me. I'm confused. That's why I came here. I don't get it. I spoke to my father. He didn't listen to me. I spoke to my mother. She didn't listen to me. What is their problem? I've told them I love this man. I can't leave him, oh.
So Bella,
I'm just confused. I don't even know what to do now. Please, maybe you should tell me what to do right now.
you came to tell me that your family rejected you because of that crippled man.
Please,
that is what you came to tell me.
Doris, I beg. Please, don't start. What I won't take from you is calling my fiance names. He's just in a condition right now. He's not crippled. Please. So yes. I spoke with them and none of them see reasons with me. I have told them times without number that I love this man. If not for Tony, today I would have been a dead woman. Tony saved my life and you expect me to just leave him like that because he's in this condition? No, it's not done that way. Even the Bible kicked against it. You don't pay evil for good. It doesn't work that way.
So you can't leave him?
No, I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
After everything that man did to you and your sister, you can't leave him.
What did he do? It was my sister that took advantage. I've told you guys. He's just a victim of circumstances. He's innocent. I know my sister is very evil. She's doing this because she's jealous and she knows I love him and he loves me.
Bella, I am ashamed of you. I am so ashamed to call you my friend. So after all the advice I gave to you, you still want to be with that crippled man?
I told you, don't call me crippled.
Bella, it's so obvious that you don't want to listen to advice. Now you have to leave my compound. Go and suffer with that crippled man you call Tony. Leave!
There is even you too. You want to join my parents too because of this situation. My problem is I don't even understand. How is it your business? Like, why are you people angry? Like, you people are just going away. You don't want to associate yourself with me because I'm in love?
Like you said, how is it my business? So what are you here for? What do you want me to tell you? Please leave. Go and suffer with that Tony. Leave. You're so stubborn. You don't want to listen to anybody. It's obvious that he has used charm on you. And that's why you can't even think straight. Please leave my compound. Leave.
Nobody used charm on me. Problem.
Please go.
Am I dreaming?
Baby.
What's going on here?
It's not a dream. It was all a plan. I planned
plan?
everything, yes. I needed to come up with a plan to find out whom amongst you and your sister loves me the most. The confusion was driving me crazy. I was under a lot of pressure. I needed to know the answer. I needed to know the truth. So I came up with a plan. Remember, you couldn't let the gate man let me out. So I had to devise this idea of being crippled so that I could get to the hospital. And I planned it all with the doctor.
You what?
Baby.
After making me go through all this stress?
Just listen to me.
Are you for real?
It was a good plan. I needed to know the truth. Please. It was driving me crazy. I needed to know. But as you can see, I am perfectly healthy for you. And I want one child.
This is crazy. You mean you had to go through all this? I had to pass through the stress, the pains, just because you want to prove or you want to find out who loves you the most?
Yes.
And you took all those insults from my parents.
I did all those things because I needed to know. Baby, as you can see, I'm perfectly fine. I'm perfectly healthy for you and our unborn child. I know it's crazy, but my love, look, it's a good kind of crazy. Mama!
Hey!
Papa.
Tony!
Mama, you are not dreaming.
Are they artificial or those legs?
They are real, Mama. Real.
Hey, can you feel my... Are you
Mama, please stop being dramatic.
Nana, what happened? How?
My love! You can walk.
Papa, as I said.
Tony, are you for real? You mean you stood all this? The insult? You endured the humiliation? The abuses? All for you to get true love? Tony, indeed, you are a real man. You have earned my respect. Ha!
Papa, Mama, sister, please, I am sorry. Please, beg Tony for me. Let him know that I am truly sorry. Sorry for all the resentment, Tony. Yes, I was angry at you. I was bitter because you abandoned me when I needed you the most. You ruined my life. You made me a dropout, so I got really bitter towards you. When I saw you, I couldn't believe my eyes. I couldn't believe that you didn't even bother to look for me. So I told myself that to be over my dead body to watch you and my sister have a beautiful, happy life. I was wrong. Even when I saw the signs that you were truly in love, I did everything to ruin your relationship, and I am truly sorry. I'm sorry for the way I treated you when I thought you were in the wheelchair. The truth is that, now that I know that my sister truly loves you, I feel bad. Sister, please forgive me. You were there for me. You were there for me when Mama and Papa threw me out. If not for your kind heart and your generosity, only God knows where I'll be by now. You didn't deserve all that disrespect. I'm so sorry for all the trouble I caused you. And I was of the money you told me to stop. I was getting to the point. I was the one that stole your money and pinned it on him because I wanted you to chase him out of the house. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad, Papa. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
Cindy.
Yes.
I already forgive you. And I'm also sorry. I'm sorry too for abandoning you the way I did. As for Bright, I promise to raise him to the highest level that I can. Please forgive me for what I did to you. I'm sorry.
Sister. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay, I forgive you. Yeah. If I were in your shoes, I understand everything. If I were in your shoes, I would probably do the same thing. So, I forgive you. To err is human, and to forgive is divine. I forgive you. Forgiveness belongs to God.
Thank you.
Tony. Honestly, I don't know how to say this sorry, but I would have said the sorry belonged to those events of yesterday. But I am deeply sorry. I'm sorry, my son. I'm sorry. In fact, you have heart. So you endured all this whole thing? Eh? Just to find out among my daughters which one is truly yours. Like my husband said, you're a real man. I am sorry. But I am very, very happy now that you have truly found that one which is yours. Which is Adam. I don't believe you.
I don't understand. I can't believe this. I can't believe you could be this Carol. I didn't raise you up like this. Anyways, I want you to go to your sister for a proof that she has forgiven you because you really loved her. Adam, I'm so proud of you. You are really my blood.
Adam,
sorry, please forgive me.
Ah.
It's okay.
Sorry. Cindy, you're happy now.
Tony, you're a real man. Now that my family is happy once again, we are back on our feet. Tony, my in-law, you earn my respect and you are qualified to be my in-law. Come, let me give you my blessing. Adam, Adobodoyibo, Omali-chan, hey, my investment. I know you will never disappoint me. Hey, Father, I thank you for today. I am so happy. Peace has come back to my house.
But my husband, yeah, everything's gonna be right. We all the same, why we felt. We never know it would get this far. Boy,